Hey guys, so like I said, like magic, bingo, there it is. Nice one. That was so painful to do. That's taken about an hour. Now there's 310 coins there, so it's not a bad 24 hours at Ocesn Beach. The money pot, and there's the 2s and 1s and 50s, 20s, 10s, 5s, 2s, 1s, pennies, half pennies, sixpence, threepence, florins, a little bit of jewellery there, 3 rings, all crud, a little bit of jewellery, all smashed, everything's just smashed down there, and some alien eyes, the old fashioned zinc cream, and all in all, not too bad. 4 sessions, 24 hours, Ocesn Beach, Central Coast, New South Wales, and not a bad effort. So, alright guys, I'll see you around. Thanks for watching. See you guys.